Sweet.
So I'm #1 puzzler. I managed to delete like every single talking clip from the 2 days of practice and quite a lot of the actual content. I do have a couple clips that I've managed to save to my laptop and 1 or 2 clips from this afternoon, so I'm going to try and slap that together. I've also thrown together a little bike check for you guys just to show what I'm racing.
Yeah, I mean, if we fall, we only fall like 200 meters. Oh, fuck's sake.
So on request, I'll be doing a little bike checkup. I'm riding a Santa Cruz Hightower LT. It's an extra large frame 29er 150mm bike. I've put a 170 fork up front. I'm riding the coil rear shock, so it's a DPX2 with the climb switch on it, so it still gives you that good climb feel. Closes the slow speed compression, so it gives it a real good pedal. Group set, I'm running the box 1 group set with a 34 tooth chainring up front. It's a C6 chainring and then the 9 series guide. Tire setup, I'm riding the rear, I'm riding a Minion DHR 2.4 wide trail with a cush core insert and downhill casing. Up front, I'm running the Assegai. It's a 2.5 wide trail with downhill casing on it. For the cockpit, joystick, builder stem, and then the 8-bit alloy bar. It's a 20mm rise on the bar. The joystick saddle as well as the binary saddle. My brake setup, I'm riding the Code RSCs. They are pretty close to the bar. And then quite a flat setup, as you can see. And then for my spares, so I carry a Tubolito tube with a valve extender because I have a cush core, so I have to put the valve through the cush core and through the rim. And then a 25-gram bomb, and then 2 tire levers because it's pretty hard to get off with the cush core. The drop post is a Fox Transfer 150mm drop. With the Fox lever on it. Yo, I just finished the urban downhill, came back to change my tire, and I took my back wheel out and my whole cassette fell off. Yeah, I snapped the axle that goes through my hub, and it's 6:30 p.m. and still need to figure something out.